Right, in the last video we saw was not, and wasn't. This video I want to show you were, weren't, and weren. Let's go. This video is very similar to the last video. So the verb to be in the present is am, is, are. In the past it's two words. It's I was, she was, he was, it was. You were, we were, they were. So the basic idea is that was is singular and were is about plural. Okay? So the important part of this video is your pronunciation about the or in were. Because this part, your jaw, this name is the jaw, comes down. Where. If you have difficulty with your or, just train where, 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 okay? Because the tongue is down, where, okay? Now with just like was not to wasn't, were not is weren't. But of course, the T is silent. Now this is the N sound, the strong N, the weren. So where, weren, weren. This part of the tongue touches here, but not touching the teeth. Weren, weren, okay? Just like was, it can be a basic adjective. You weren't busy, they weren't interested, we weren't curious, etc. Or a past tense verb, right? But you weren't doing it. We weren't going there, right? So let's get right to the practice. Remember, pause, listen, repeat, and train. Ready? They were not at home last night. They weren't at home last night. And finally, they weren't. So, weren't at home, weren't at home, weren't at home. And the T of last will become last night. They weren't at home last night. They weren't at home last night. We were not very busy last night. We weren't very busy last night. And we weren't very busy last night. We weren't very busy last night. They were not as tired as they thought they were going to be. They weren't as tired as they thought they were gonna be. And they weren't as tired as. So as tired as they weren't as tired as. They weren't as tired as they thought they were gonna be. They weren't as tired as they thought they were gonna be. I do not know why they were not there last night. I don't know why they weren't there last night. To I don't know why they weren't there last night. So I don't know why they weren't there last night. I don't know why they weren't there last night. We were not very far when you called. We weren't very far when you called. And we weren't very far when you called. I thought you were not interested in going. I thought you weren't interested in going. I thought you weren't interested in going. I thought you weren't interested in going. Weren't interested. So this brings us to the end of were not to weren. Always practice that N sound. Join me in the next video when I will talk about the past perfect, had not and hadn't and hadn't. See you there.